Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 50 euro cents coin from Italy. Dated 2002. On the obverse side, this coin features the statue of Vittorio Emanuele II on horseback. A famous Italian monument symbolizing unification and national pride. You'll also see the year 2002 and the letters RI, standing for Repubblica Italiana. The reverse side shows the common European Union design, displaying the value 50 euro cent along with a map of Europe, symbolizing unity among member countries. This 2002 Italy 50 euro cents coin is made of Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. While most coins are common in circulation, uncirculated coins or minting errors can be worth more to collectors. Always check your coins for off-center strikes, weak details, or die cracks, as these can increase their value. If you enjoy coin collecting videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.